Welcome to the video for sending messages via Gmail through Sampark Setu application. This video will help to understand the whole process of sending messages, including the account sign-in process and managing the permissions required. Firstly, as you can see, you will get a pop-up asking for your permission to sign in to one of the accounts present on the screen. Single account selection is necessary to proceed further with the process. So click on whichever account you need to select. After selecting the account, the backend process will start for sign-in and you will get a pop-up once again for permission required regarding the account. We require only one permission that allows us to access the user's basic information such as user's mail ID and also allows the users to send the messages via Gmail. We ensure that we don't require and also we don't get any more private information about your account that concerns you about your account safety and security. If you don't follow the sign-in process or if you deny the permission, then you won't be able to send messages via Gmail. Proceeding forward to allowing permissions, you will be signed in with one Google account through our application. Now we will get our messages created to see the working flow of sending messages from the application. Firstly, we will navigate to the tags module and create a tag to organize our contacts. To create a tag, click on the plus icon visible on the top right corner. Add a name and description according to you and click on the Save button. As you can see, a tag has been created. Now to add context, click on the particular tag. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and click on Add Contacts option. You will be navigated to the contact list from which you have to select your email contacts. After you have selected the email contacts, click on the top right corner button to tag the contacts. After the tag has been created, we need to create an email template. So we will navigate to the templates section. Create a template by clicking on the plus icon visible on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the template type and select email. Add a template title, subject and body for sending email messages. The template title is just for template identification and understanding and won't be sent to the users, whereas the subject and the body part will be sent as messages to the user. After you are done with a template, click on the Save button and navigate to the campaign module. Create a campaign by clicking on the plus icon visible on the top. In a campaign, you need to add tags and templates created to generate the messages. Firstly, add name and description of the campaign for your understanding. Click on Add Tag option to select a tag. After the tag is selected, then select a template by clicking on the Select Template option. Choose an email template from the list and set its interval to 0 to generate messages instantly after the campaign is made live. Click on the Set Live button and wait for the notification of message generation. Navigate to the TickTick module. You can see The messages are ready for the campaign created just now. There are two ways for sending Gmail messages. You can send them with or without automation. For without automation, click on the mail icon available on the left side of the messages in the tick list. Once you click on the message, it is sent to that particular user. So this is how the messages are sent to users via Gmail manually. For automation handling for email messages, you just need to navigate to the settings and allow the option Email Message Automation. Once you allow this option, messages will be sent to users from your tick list in the background. This can take a little time to send the message as the whole process works in background and the messages are sent at one time. You can check in completed messages section in dashboard module to confirm that the messages have been sent. As you can see, there are 5 completed messages. Before allowing email automation from setting, we had 3 pending messages in the tick list. As you can see now, the tick list is empty. That means the messages have been sent to the users in background after allowing automation setting. You can also check your sent box in Gmail app to confirm if the messages have been sent to particular users. So we will just navigate to Gmail app and confirm it. Here you can see the sent messages list which were sent manually or automatically through the Sampark Setu application. The messages are sent through Gmail account you selected at the beginning of the sign-in process, and the user account ID, subject or body part is taken from the messages of Sampark Setu application. So this is how our application helps in sending messages via Gmail manually and automatically. That's all for this video. Thank you.